Hola amigos, welcome back. Today, lesson, we will be learn how to ask age in Spanish, 2 ways asked age in Spanish languages, firstly, formal and secondly informal. In Spanish languages, you have to careful about formal and informal. Okay. Let's start the lesson. Formal age asking the age is ¿cuántos años tiene used? ¿Cuántos años tiene used? How old are you? ¿Cuántos means how many, and años mean is years. Tienes usted? You have, how many years do you have, but this is not correct answer. Correct answer is how old are you. Secondly way asking age in Spanish is ¿cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? Here tiene usted, but here is tiene, so first one was informal and secondly one is informal. So, answering tengo 24 años, tengo 24 años, I am 24 years old. Tengo mean, I have 24 means is 24's, años mean is years. I am 24 years old. I have 24 years, but correct answer is I am 24 years old dash, o bien. También tengo 24 años, o bien. También tengo 24 años, means is o bien. También tengo 24 años. Oh, good. I am also 24's, 24 years old, o bien, means is good nice. También means also and tengo, means is I have. 24 means is 24 and años means is years. So actually mean is oh good, also I have 24 years, but correct answer is oh good. I am also 24's, 24 years old. Any you have to learn numbers next videos. The Spanish number I will take slowly my video will be shorter, easy to follow and understand. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video.